we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now, we're thrilled to share this one with you. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. We love knowing that people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.